It's really so simple and you'll feel so much better for doing it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole and this channel is all about health, wellness, and designing your dream life. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you some tips for drinking more water. So my first tip is that you actually need to get yourself a water bottle. This will be super simple, but it'll actually make such a huge change in the amount of water that you're drinking on your day-to-day life. So find one that you'll actually like and that you'll actually want to carry around with you. This is the one that I have. I carry it absolutely everywhere with me. It's super simple. It's got a little straw for making it easy to drink out of, and I like it and I carry it around with me everywhere. My second tip is to always make sure that your water bottle is within arm's reach. So even when I'm here sitting and filming this video, my water bottle is right here. And I take it around with me everywhere. So if I'm going to go into the next room, I'll pick it up and take it with me into the room. If I'm going to go outside, I'll take it with me outside. If I'm going to go to the gym, it'll go to the gym with me. If it comes to work with me, it goes absolutely everywhere with me so that I can always be drinking my water. My third tip is to actually write on your water bottle. So on mine here, I've written down the times of the day that I want to have reached that level of water intake by. So at 6 a.m. when I wake up, it should be full, and then by 7:30, I should have consumed this much water. So I know that for my water intake, I need to be drinking 3 of these a day. So how do you figure out your water intake? Well, you need to take your weight in pounds and drink half of that in ounces. So let's say you weigh 150 pounds, that means you need to drink 75 ounces of water per day. So what I actually did is I found out how much water I need to be drinking per day, and then I divided that by the number of hours in the day, and it worked out that I needed to be drinking about 1/3 of a water bottle every hour and a half. The fourth thing that you can be doing is actually set an alarm on your phone. So on my phone, I can set an alarm for every hour and a half to go off so that I know that I need to be drinking some water. My fifth tip for you is to use a backpack instead of a purse. Now, I know a lot of ladies like to carry around purses, and I've never really been that kind of person. I like to use a backpack whenever I go anywhere, out to the shops, out for hikes, things like that. And it's just a lot easier because backpacks often have the little pockets on the side where I can just stick my water bottle in. Whereas if I'm carrying a small purse, sometimes it's hard for me to carry my water bottle around. So some tips that I have for this is either using a backpack, or if you're going to be using a purse, you can get a water bottle with a clip on it, just like this one, and you can actually clip it to your purse. My sixth tip is to actually track how much water you're consuming. So you can either check off every time you finish a water bottle or every time you finish a section of your water bottle like I have. On my watch, I actually have an app that tracks my water intake. So every single time I finish a glass of water, which I have as being this much, so every time I finish one of these sections, I can check off on my watch that I've consumed one of those sections. My seventh tip is to use habit stacking. So if you find that you often forget to drink your water, you can relate your water drinking habit to another habit that you have. So it might be something like meal time. So you need to be drinking every time you're eating a meal, or you can do it with something like brushing your teeth. So every time you brush your teeth, you need to be drinking a certain amount of water. Things like that. You can find a habit that you already do in your daily routine and link it with that. My final tip is to actually flavor your water. So it can be kind of boring sometimes to just be drinking plain old water. Add different flavorings to your water to help make it a bit more interesting. My favorite ones are lemon water, but you can also use cucumber or different fruit flavorings. Alright everybody, that's it for today. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It really helps support me. Let me know in the comment section down below which of these tips you found most helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.